one is actually working on, she's putting on the first coat of Kilz now. Hopefully that would allow us to work a little faster because we still have to do this wall, those walls. I mean, it's just a lot of color and we cannot waste 3 days with multiple coats of primer. So on it, I'm about to kick into my paint primer mode and get on it. Make sure you check out our day 2 time lapse. We're about to start day 3.
Okay, here we go. This is a consumer review report, and it's Sherwin-Williams Primer versus Kilz. 100% Kilz. If you have a dark color, folks, don't get to playing around, okay? We literally, I don't know, we covered this wall. We were painting and finally it was just like, you know what? Let's get Kilz work, and it did. So we're ready for our paint. So there it is, folks, Kilz. But Enso is gonna look amazing. You know I like to say that. And there's Tamara, stay mode. We've had a great time. I don't own a gym membership, so this is a perfect workout. I need it in my life. So thank y'all, and y'all go. So again, that's Enso Apothecary, ENSO. You see that? APOTHECARY. Go on YouTube. Time lapse, people. You want to see some real fast action? It's a real workout, like literally. I lost 30 pounds. Up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. And then squat and roll. All right, bye y'all.